You know, there's something about being in nature. You get away from civilization, away from any worries you had. Sometimes you even get to enjoy the silence or the trees talking. Even if you're not
Can't
alone
people have some privacy?
or it's not silent, you're in a state of awareness. It it does something to people. It makes them forget about all the stress they may have had. Sometimes it even makes them smile. Being in a forest of adventures and unknown land, it's neither exhilarating nor depressing. It just kind of makes you smile and nod your head. You think to yourself, ah, this is what I've been waiting for. And you make a mental note to